Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate average in Microsoft Excel. Let's do it. First, let's calculate the average for first student. From here, insert equal sign, then average. Select this one. Select the ranges from this question to question 4. Just enter. The average is 98. If you want to do it for the other students, just select the cell and double click here. Directly you can find average for the other students. I don't need this one. If you want to change the decimal, just select it, and from here you can increase and decrease the decimals. That's the average for rows. In columns, in the same way, just select the cell you want to find average, then equal sign, average, select the range, enter. That is the average for question 1. If you want to do it for the other questions, just select the cell, then drag it to here. That's it. If you see it's helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.